How about a brownie pie? How about a brownie pie with caramel? That's what we're going to do today. Okay, I have some butter. Now I will leave all the ingredients in the description box, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. I have butter and I have chocolate chips in a microwave safe bowl. Okay, I'm going to put this in the microwave for 20 seconds and stir it, 20 seconds and stir it until everything is melted. This is two segments of the 20 seconds. I'm guessing one more time I should be able to add the rest of the ingredients to it. Okay, this is melted. All the chips are melted, so we're going to go ahead with the rest of our ingredients. Okay. White sugar, brown sugar, and I need to switch over to something a little more sturdy to stir with. Flour, vanilla, cocoa, and let it go. This is going to be nice and chocolatey, guys. And eggs. Now, I always like to break my farm fresh eggs into a container before I put them in something. I don't have a rooster, but they're not candled or anything like the store-bought eggs are. So, just like to put them in something first. Okay. And eggs. Okay, that was self-rising flour, folks. If you wanted to use all-purpose, then you could add salt, baking powder, stuff like that to it. But I'm taking the fast and easy route. And I have got my oven preheating to 350. Okay, you notice I said pie. Well, you could make a graham cracker pie crust, but I bought one. We try to take as many corners and make it as easy as what we can. Guys, this smells like a big brownie. It smells so good. Around so I can pour it without getting the brownie on my fingers. Okay, we're going to pour about half in there. Spread it out. If you get a little more, guys, it's fine. Get a little less, it's fine too. It's all going to come together in the end. And we measure out our caramel sauce. Okay. Do you guys like caramel? Caramel. You call it caramel, you call it caramel. What do you call it? I call it caramel. I get corrected all the time, but that's okay. Well, this would have been a time to have my spatula back, wouldn't it? It's okay. Okay, now we're going to pour the rest of this on top of it. Now, guys, that's fast and easy so far, right? And my oven has come up to temperature. I'm not even going to attempt to spread that out because it's all going to bake together. I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it 25 to 30 minutes or until it's done. Okay, our timer's going off. Guys, in all honesty, this could sit in there about 5 more minutes. So I'm gonna put it back in for about 5 minutes. Okay, our pie has cooled and I've cut it. So let's see if I can get it out without it falling apart. Okay, look at that fudgy interior, guys. Don't that look wonderful? Okay. I'm gonna get some ice cream. Put on there. And we're gonna do another drizzle of the caramel. Now, I'm going to dive in. If I can get the frozen ice cream. And I killed my pie. I tore it all to pieces. But that's okay. That, my friends, is one fabulous pie. I'm going to have a hard time getting another piece. By the time my boys and my husband gets a bite of that, there ain't going to be none left. This is a must-make pie. It's delicious. Share the video, and I'll see you on that next video.